everybody, welcome to this video. We're on the hunt for the rarest car in the world, and it's in this field somewhere. I still can't see it. Keith was here a minute ago. Where is he? Keith! What? Looking for this car, no lying down on a job.
Sorry.
Oh, I think I might see it. Why is your binoculars bigger than mine?
It's an age thing, love.
I think it's over there. Let's go.
Okay.
There it is, mate. Can't believe we found it.
Yes! Yes! Lawnmower.
Not the lawnmower, the Mk1 Escort. It's the fastest Mk1 Escort in the world.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, what engine's it got in it?
I don't know. Let's have a look.
Wow!
Ooh, look at that.
Yes, that's got to be at least a 13 in its time. If that.
I think it's a 1300.
Yeah, it would be, wouldn't it? Come on then, how fast is that going to go? 50 tops?
At a push downhill.
Yeah, with the roof down.
Yeah, with the roof missing, I expect.
Yeah.
Well, the fastest camper van in the world, 141 mile an hour.
Okay.
So surely that's beatable with something like this.
Yeah, but not with all this crap by the side. So
No,
we're going to have to
no.
pull that out and maybe get it running.
Right, I think that's a job for Simon. Let's shift it all out of the way and
Over to you, Simon.
get a rope on it and put it out.
Okay.
Go for it.
Let's do it.
Simon, the muscle man, moving the metal. Well done, Simon. I think he needs a round of applause.
Pat on the back.
Don't forget the mower.
He's moved the mower.
Has he?
Yeah, he's moved the mower.
Right, I'll run it over. Right, let's get the tow rope, get the car on. Ah, another one got me, man. It's like a field of stinging nettles.
Yeah, there's us taking the pee out of the sign for wearing trousers.
Yeah, my legs are killing me already. Go on, that'll do. Oh, did in here. It's proper Mac. The speakers are right in the way of the handle. There's a bee in here. Go. I'll do. Oh, we got no brakes. Handbrake's working. I'll do.
No brakes, straight into the back of the Honda. And take my hat off now.
Why, is it making your head sweat?
Yeah.
Come on. I'll have like checker lines up my head. Let's have a look at the back.
Simon's got hat sweat.
Hat sweat, flop sweat. Look at this. Why is the door like that?
I reckon it's going to drop down and the bed's going to, because I can remember these, that's the problem.
Look at that, great rear view. Huh. It's still all right. Oh, it's had a repair on my side. What's yours? Little patch on it.
Yeah, but that's obviously where they keep headboarding.
Yeah. Stinks inside, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's all black mould in there as well.
I just noticed something as well.
What? Oh yeah, it's fiberglass.
Yeah.
Lightweight,
so that's even
lightweight, so it'll go 52 miles an hour now. I want to see if we can get it going.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, why not?
There's no brakes on it. The brake pedal's just rock hard. The handbrake works. So Simon, do you want to nip and go and get a battery from work? It's only like 10-minute drive.
Really? Yeah. We don't need anything else.
No. Right. Right, well, Simon's gone for the battery. I'm going to take my hat off. You can hold that, go and throw it in the car. Let's have a look in here. So, chuck my hat at me. Put it on the bonnet.
You said throw it in the car.
It actually looks all right in here. How many miles has it done? It's done 88,000 miles. So let's tilt the seat forwards. Oh, let's pull the seat out. I can get my hand through the floor. Yeah, this ain't bad. Oh, that's a bit. The curtains are a bit gone. Hello! This material's all right, Keith. So it's obviously a minivan. Hey, it's got a hammock as well. Look at that. Oh, I broke some in. I sat on the side. Oh, there we go, I fixed it. That's obviously a hammock. Clips into there. So you've got a bed there, and then I guess that this folds down into a bed. What's hiding in the back? Oh, I found some mints. Hang on. Oh no, it's some bulbs. It says new headlight bulb, October the 3rd, 1979. We'll probably have to change that, Keith. Oh, it's a fire extinguisher. Tell you what, it's all complete. Don't know what's in there. Oh yeah, apart from the curtains are a bit thing. Don't look like a bad car in here, you know. I think I'll need a cage if I'm going for the fastest speed run, you know. Right, let's go and wait for Simon to come back with a battery. Probably put the chair back in. Right, Simon's back. Bonnet looks all right as well, Keith, to be fair. Oh, it's got an original Ford Motorcraft battery. Go on then. Oh yeah, let's get this battery on. I'll go inside and see if I can put the top down. Put me top down, top down. Two little clip. Oh, stuck. Come on. Ah! There we go. Ah, my head. Oh, there's like a plug on the top. Smack my head. Is it done?
No. You got some battery terminals.
Oh, are they the wrong terminals?
Yeah, they've screwed them into the...
Oh, they drilled into the actual... Oh, nice. Do you want to nip back and go and get a terminal?
Again?
Go for it, mate. You're doing a good job there, mate. Well done.
I ain't going back again.
Well, it should fire up now. Doubtful, but probably starter motor be knackered now. You have to go and get one of them. Professional.
Yep, something's alive in there.
Yeah, I can hear something buzzing. Ah, the seats are hot. Wow. Oh yeah, the radio's on.
It's got a radio.
Oh, it did have a radio. I just pushed it straight through the... Right. Keys are handily in the ignition. They won't turn. There we go. Right, ready? Right, we've got no ignition lights. Radio's on though, so...
Let's give it a crank, see what it does.
Watch your fingers.
Well, at least it turns over.
It cranks over. Stinks are like all, you know, like
Old fuel.
Yeah, like 20,000-year-old fuel, isn't it? Right, we'll Have you got, we'll check the spot, have you got, you ain't got a plug here, have you, Si?
No, does that mean I'm going back again?
Yeah. Go and get a plug and get some of them plastic pliers. Go on, does you well, does you good. Welcome back. Right. Right, if you go around that side,
Alright.
hold that against something. Let's have a look.
There.
Right, ready?
Okay, no, we got nothing.
No spark. Right, let's take off the coil lead off the dizzy. Right, try. Can you get that plug just to stick on there and just? That'll do. Like that, and then it will jump across. Right, just check. Actually, just take the plug out and just hold it on something. Right, ready?
Yeah, go on then. No, nothing.
Nothing at all?
No.
What do you reckon?
Coil.
There's one on my Mark II back in the workshop. A coil.
I'm the one on your Mark II in the workshop?
Yeah.
I know where I'm going again.
See you in a bit. We'll check other stuff while you're gone. He's back. Is that an electronic ignition coil?
It's electronic, isn't
No,
it?
it'll still work. It's only 6 volt. Go on. Where's the?
It's underneath the...
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, you bought
to take it off.
your mat.
Am I going back again?
Go on then. Get under there.
I need a lawnmower.
See that massive bloody rat over there? Like it's probably crawling under the car right now. They're huge there around here, aren't they? They're like vampire rats. They've just got massive teeth.
Shut up.
Are you ready? You holding that plug?
Well, I'm not holding it. I don't want a shock.
All right, ready?
You got spark?
There's no spark.
No, we got spark.
Oh, sound.
Yeah.
That's it then. It should run. Right. Just yank the pipe off the fuel pump. Let me see if. That's like a new Ford key that's broke. You got it off?
Go on then.
Put my mouth around this. It'd probably be an animal jump out. Have you got a load?
Yeah, I don't think that looks like fuel.
How's that? It's like antifreeze.
It's green.
It's got seed in it. It smells of fuel. That is grimy.
I think we'll start with that.
No. Do you want to nip down fuel station? Go and get a can of fuel for us. Let's pull the pipe off the tank.
I know Keith's lost his legs.
He's we're just
I'm old.
we're just working on our tan. See you in a bit. That is grim. Well done, Simon. That's the last time, I promise.
Oh, I ain't going again. Next time you two can go.
I'll drain the fuel out of the tank.
Saving the old legs.
I took the fuel off, the pipe off the tank, and there weren't much left in it, but it was like bright green.
Oh, it didn't smell very nice either.
No, I'll blow it up. I'll blow it and get it up to the carb, and then yeah. I mean, if it turns over, so there's compression, there's spark, and now we got fuel. Well, hopefully, it's just
Yeah, do you want me to crank it a bit when you blow it?
Yeah.
Am I being old, or it's not got electric pump on it?
No, it's manual.
Is it manual?
Yeah. So you got to crank it for a bit to get it up there.
I love Escorts, but I just wasn't a mechanic.
Muxpanic.
Spack Munich.
Right, that'll do. Are we ready?
Well, give it a go.
These seats are mega hot. Shut the bonnet.
So he won't stop and go into the ditch.
Cut out. I've got no electrics. Lads, come back. Hang on.
Where are you going? I'll bring down. Bring back the tow rope and give us a tow.
It's a nice day, you can walk.
You fucking man.
I'll teach him.
Come back. I'm stuck. I did push. Oh, the brakes are seized. Right, I'm nearly back. Just wait until I see them two. I'm in pain in my backside, they are. Hopefully, I'll drag them back down there and we'll get this Escort back and then we'll make a start on it next week. But hope you've enjoyed this video. Leave us your thoughts. Can we beat 141 mile an hour in this Escort? I think we'll have a go. So from me as always, I'll see you again. Mate, I can't believe we've found it.
What? Lawnmower?
Hang on, let me do it again. It's a bit f***ing dot cotton, that is. Mate, I can't believe we've found it. Oh, God, this is a bit rubbish.
You alright? What? Lawnmower?
Not the lawnmower, the fastest car in the world. It's the fastest Mk1 in the world. Right, do it again.
I don't think so. What makes it the fastest then?
What engine's in it? Let's do it again, it's all right.
When we went back up the lane.
Can't even get the thing open. Oh, there we go, ready?